Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. So I actually have a very quick tutorial for you guys today, and it's how I achieve to have curled hair or get curls every day without actually curling my hair every day. It's super easy, it's heat free, so if you're doing this on your natural hair, rest assured you won't be messing up your curl pattern or anything like that or using heat. This is on extensions. This hair is naturally a Brazilian loose wave, so it naturally has texture in it, so it holds texture pretty well. So this hair naturally has texture in it, so it's a lot easier to hold textures. Also, you can use this method if you have previously curled straight hair and you want to keep it curls but you don't want to put heat on it every single day. So this is how I've been actually wearing this U part, and it's just in this very cute tussled curls, and I absolutely love it. It's super easy. Again, it takes 2 seconds and you wake up every day with really nice curls, and they last all day. So if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Had a girl quite like me, never had a girl quite like me, never had a girl quite like me, never had a girl quite like me.
So jumping right in, this is just 1 day old hair. This is at the end of the day, so this shows you that the curls really do last all day. So here I'm just going to freshen up my part and split my hair in two. Now this is really long hair. If you have shorter hair, you can do smaller sections to have a more tighter curl, but I like the loose look. So right here I'm just detangling my hair and the extensions. If you guys are curious about this hair and how I made this unit and installed it, those videos will be linked below, so definitely check those out. So right here I'm basically doing a Bantu knot, and I'm just going to twist the hair as tight as I can to make sure it really coils, and then I'm going to twist the hair around itself. So this, you just want to make sure the hair is twisted and coiled all the way down to the tips of the hair, so the curl is uniform all the way throughout. And I'm just going to secure that with a hair tie. So that is really it. Again, it's super simple. This literally takes you 5 minutes out of your nighttime routine, and in the morning you wake up with really pretty curls. To go to bed, I just tie down my edges with a silk scarf and put a bonnet over it. This is the next day, so I've went to the gym, I've taken a shower, I've done my makeup, so now it's time to unravel the Bantu knots. So you should have a nice spiral going all the way down to the tips of your hair. And after you take out both of your Bantu knots, you're literally just going to lightly finger comb the curls out. You don't want to comb too much because then your hair might look a little bit frizzy, but you just want to naturally break apart the curls. You don't want to disturb it too much. As you can see, I'm literally just shaking out my hair, and the curls will just fall how they would like.
You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it.
This is the end result. This is super easy. Let me know if you do this already. If not, try it out. Let me know if you like it. Definitely thumbs up this video for these little mini tutorials. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of your support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
What's going on right now?